Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Got a lot of stuff in the way today because I'll be starting these diagonal wind braces soon, maybe later today. But for now, I'm gonna unbox and assemble these Amish Barn Stars. I have a little more light here, so I think I'll do it here. I really don't know what to expect. I believe it's just 5 points that bolt together, but there's 2 stars in here, so let's open this up and see what we got. I believe that these come from the Amish in Pennsylvania, but I can't remember. The people who sell these are doing it for the Amish. They're obviously not Amish themselves. Okay. Oh, this is 2 boxes taped together. All right. I did not know that. Okay. Looks like just packaging in there. It's marked 1 of 2. They are satin black, like I ordered. I don't see any oh, there it is. Looks like the hardware is right here. That is the hardware. Now we have assembly instructions. Good. Those out of there. Looks like everything's intact so far. Okay. I'm going to bring these over to the assembly location, and we'll have at it. Wow, half a sheet of paper. Start with the top of your star. The hang tab is on the back of this one. That is this one right here. Hang tab. The trick with these, and it's not much of a trick, is to slip the little bolt through, then put that on, and then push it sideways to hold the bolt there. Then you can put your nut on, and you can do the whole thing without a helper. Then the second one is easy. spoke too soon. You don't want to move it around on the tin and scratch it up. There it is. So you got to kind of do it by eye. Hopefully this closes up. It should. Unless they got their geometry wrong. There we go. Now I need to get a wrench to hold these nuts, and I'll tighten these all up. Okay, this is a 3/8 nut. I don't know if you can hear that wind out there, but it's crazy windy today. The black on here is just black paint, so you gotta be real careful not to scratch this stuff. Hopefully I don't get any bird nest behind this, but I have a feeling that I may. Rub marks on it, but those will come right off. Okay, one down, one to go. The way these things mount, they just have this little tab right here, and you got to put some kind of a hook on the building. I don't think that's going to be enough. I think wind's going to get behind it, and these are going to blow all over the place. So I think I'm just going to fasten the bottom two corners. But to do that, I'm going to need to make a template and put the template up on the wall up here. That's going right here on the gable. The point, I can put the hook right into the wood there, but I have no idea where the bottom 2 points are going to land. And I don't want to adjust the star so that it lands on wood. So I'll get the star centered, and then wherever them 2 points land, I'll either use wood screws or rivets or whatever it's going to take to fasten that. And then also on the outside here, right above this door, there's going to be 2 barn lights. I'll show you those real quick online. Okay, here's the website. It is barnlight.com. We'll go to the main page here. Got all kinds of stuff. See if we can get back there. And for the light I am looking for, there are just tons of different options. These are pretty awesome lights. They're made in America, and they're a bit expensive, but they're going to last forever. Really cool lights. And where's my color? These are just pictures here, but that's about the color and about the size. I'll be using two 17-inch shades on that big front door and probably one of these on the back door. I'm not sure yet. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to put a light above the man door on this side. I don't think I'm going to do it on that side. There's going to be plenty of light over that way. It'll be dark back here, so I may put a light above the man door. Not sure yet. Okay, so I'll be making the template for that in a different video. There's not a big rush on that because in order to do all that, I'm going to have to do it from the outside, and there's no way I'm going to do that until spring. So I'm going to get these assembled and probably put them over here somewhere, and we'll revisit this project in the spring. But for now, I'm going to open this one as well, inspect it, and I can probably just put this one back in the box. I don't need them put together. I just need one so that I can make a template. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get this opened. All right, this appears to be just fine. I think what I'm going to do is open this one up, get this one assembled as well, and then instead of just having these sitting around on the floor where they're likely to get damaged, I think I'm going to put a couple screws in up high and just hang these until I'm ready to get to them. That sounds like a plan. All right, let's get this open, assembled. We'll hang these real quick, and that'll be it. And there you have it, 2 barn stars put together. Yeah, that's kind of interesting how they go together. I always wondered how they did that. Okay, so I was thinking that I was going to put them right on one of these posts, but on second thought, I think I'm going to hang it from that top girt right there. The very next thing I'm going to be doing is working right in here, and there's a real good chance that I'll bump that, and I don't want to do that. So put one right there and one right there, right above the windows, and that'll be it for the barn stars for now. First thing I got to do though is clean this mess up. All right, I ran across and got some hardware, and I was thinking at first that the washer head on these would be enough to hold that up there, but all it would take is a little bump and that would come crashing to the ground and bend up the points on there. So what I'm going to do is put a fender washer on that, and then I think the space is right around 1/4 inch, so these 1 5/8 should be perfect for that, but we'll never know until we try. So let's get 2 of these made up and we'll go install these. I also grabbed this. What I think I'm going to do is cut this in half for the permanent bracket, the one that goes on the building, because watch out. Because these have like a crossbar there, I'm thinking this, if I bend it right about there, cut it in half, well actually I'll have to cut it right about here, cut it and then bend this right in here somewhere, that'll slide way up through here, and that's never going to come off. The wind is never going to blow that up that high. So I'll use one of these. This is a Simpson strong tie. Simpson strong tie. So we'll use that for the final bracket, but for today, these are going to have to do. Okay, that is going to have to do it for today. It is insanely cold out here, and I need to get in the house and warm up. Both of the Amish Barn Stars are assembled and hanging on the wall, and that's where they're going to stay until I'm ready to make that template. And again, the template will likely be like lath material, 1/8-inch wood, and it'll just be a triangle, and I'll drill holes where the fasteners are going to end up going. Then I'll take that and bring it onto the outside and kind of figure out where the center is and mark where my hole locations are going to be. That's going to be a long, drawn-out process, and I'm going to have to do that on a nice, calm day when it's nice and warm out. So that could be a couple months away. The next project out here is to get these diagonal wind braces in place. One goes from the corner up there down to there, and then the rest go in the other 4 corners. The reason I got to do these next is I need the scaffold to put the insulation in, and unfortunately the scaffolding was in this corner. Then they put this door track on, and the scaffolding needed to come through here. Then I believe I can get it to all the other corners on its own, but unfortunately the height from the floor to that truss right in this area is just a hair too short, and I can't roll it out of here, so I got to take the top off. I don't want to take that top off and put it back on a bunch of times, so I'll get these diagonals in place and get that over with. Then I can start on that insulation. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.